Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about choosing your priorities and finding your work-life balance.
Yeah, so this is a question that we get asked quite a bit.
And a question we ask ourselves,
too.
Yeah,
the question we ask ourselves a lot. What is the proper work-life balance? And I think the very first thing that you need to take and do is not compare yourself to other couples. Or other families or anything like that, or let anybody push you into a certain category. Your family is different. You're different human beings, you have different schedules, things like that, and that's okay. You need to allow yourself to have that leeway. Otherwise, you're always going to feel like you're not good enough. Like you're balanced or like you're totally in balance. But that might be the rhythm of your family.
Yeah.
So for our family, for instance, one of the hardest parts for us to do is to put work down. Since you're being a self-entrepreneur is to say, okay, I'm done. I'm going to go spend some time with my son and just play trucks. Like that is a very tough thing for me to do. When you work a 9 to 5, you can go home. You punch out, you clock out, you're done. You go home, your stuff gets left at the shop or whatever, and you get to go home. When you're running a homemade business or a home business or something like that, that's just not the case. There's emails that come in inopportune times and things like that, and it takes a little bit of self-discipline. A lot of self-discipline to just say, nope, I'm not going to answer that email, or nope, I'm not going to deal with that person until tomorrow morning in the a.m.
Yeah, there's been plenty of nights where we've stayed up till midnight answering emails.
Longer, 3 a.m. probably. We've stayed up late before,
Yeah, like after dinner we just start working again and not really spend that much time with our kids other than, they're in the same room as us, but they aren't actually getting individualized attention. So we do have to check ourselves on that. And
and there again, you have got to give yourself a little bit of grace in this because, everybody's trying to figure it out, and figure out how it's going to work. And we certainly don't get it right all the time, but, our kids know that we love them, and we know that we love each other and things like that. And so that's what's really, truly important there. We don't always get it right. That balance, and when you've gotten it wrong because stuff will just seem like it's chaotic and it's a mess. And then that's where you just need to look introspectively and do something to change. So
it takes quite a bit of discipline sometimes.
Yes, it does. So, all right, well, that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes 3. We thank you for watching.
Thanks for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.